what we used currently was kind of hard to use from a subject matter expert standpoint. We had people like making PowerPoints and having to add audio to those PowerPoints. When we saw audio was, you could have it on there immediately, we were like, okay, this will help so much for people even wanting to create content, because it was kind of like, I don't want to create that because I don't want to have to do all of that.
Sandra and I, we want it to be the best experience for the learner, right? And so to be able to provide like the sandbox environment where they have to follow along, engage with the training, that's been really, I think that it's helped our organization go to market faster within our, we're not training customers, but get it out to our employee owners to use the new technology tools. And it's especially important because they never allow us enough time to create training, so we have to have a good tool.
Before we had iorad, they said it would take them like 2 weeks to do like 1 or 2 trainings, whereas with iorad it was like popped out 5 or so within the same time frame. So like they can do so much more. It's crazy. They love it.